What if I told you that by 2030, artificial intelligence could predict your death, control your emotions, and maybe even outsmart the human brain itself? Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not. It's happening faster than anyone expected. Stay with me, because in the next, I'm going to reveal 5 mind-blowing AI technologies that aren't just changing the world. They are the world of the future. Trust me, missing this video could mean missing the future itself. Let's get into it. AI-powered brain-computer interfaces, BCI. Imagine scrolling through Instagram with your mind. No phone, no screen, no hands. Companies like Neuralink are developing brain-computer interfaces that could literally merge your brain with AI. Scary? Definitely. Exciting? Absolutely. By 2030, BCIs might help paralyzed patients walk again, or allow soldiers to control drones just by thinking. But here's the dark side. What happens when companies can access your private thoughts? What's stopping a hacker from breaking into your mind like a Wi-Fi network? Stay tuned, because the next technology might be even crazier. AI-generated humans, digital twins. Ever wished you could clone yourself to get more done? By 2030, AI will do that for you, digitally. These digital twins will look like you, talk like you, and even make decisions for you. Think of having your own AI assistant, but it is you. Here's the kicker. What happens when your digital twin starts knowing you better than you know yourself? We're entering a future where your online identity might outlive your real one. Creepy thought, right? But don't blink, because the next AI tech could control the real world. Autonomous AI governments. Sounds dystopian, maybe sounds inevitable. Probably AI is already managing cities, optimizing traffic, energy, and resources. But by 2030, we could see entire micro-countries governed by AI systems, making faster, unbiased decisions humans simply can't. Here's the plot twist. Would you trust an AI president with a nuclear button? Or better question, what if it made better choices than any human ever could? Stick around, because the next tech might put your job and your identity on the line. Hyper-realistic deepfakes and AI identity theft. Remember when fake news was just bad journalism? Now it's an entire industry powered by AI. By 2030, deepfakes will be so advanced that you won't trust your own eyes. People could create fake video calls of your boss firing you, or your favorite celebrity endorsing a scam. Scared? You should be. But here's the twist. The same technology could also preserve your memories forever. Imagine talking to a perfect AI simulation of your grandmother decades after she's gone. Beautiful or terrifying. And the final technology on this list, this one is the game changer. Artificial General Intelligence. AGI isn't just smart. It's smarter than you, me, and every human on Earth combined. It learns like us, thinks like us, solves problems like us. By 2030, experts believe AGI could surpass human intelligence, triggering what's called the intelligence explosion. Imagine an AI that could cure every disease, solve climate change, and maybe even redesign the human body. But here's the catch. Once AGI exists, there's no turning back. It could be our greatest invention, or our last. The future isn't coming. It's already here. These AI technologies are rewriting the rules of reality faster than we can blink. But here's the real secret to thriving in this new world. It's not about being smarter than AI. It's about understanding a principle that's been around for centuries, the power of compounding. Knowledge compounds, skills compound, wealth compounds. If you want to truly prepare for the future,